Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the 2 worst and 3 best engine oil treatment you should buy in 2025 that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is BestLine Superior Lubricants Engine Oil Treatment. BestLine Racing Nano Lubricant Engine Oil Additive is developed for gasoline and diesel engines to improve long-term performance. It is made for vehicles like motorcycles, cars, race models, commercial trucks, and vintage machines. This product uses diamond nanotechnology to lower resistance between engine components, which helps your vehicle run more smoothly. A single container is designed to treat 5 quarts of oil, making it practical to use during every regular oil change. It offers a dual-purpose solution that cleans and protects at the same time. Built-in detergents help clear old buildup while also preventing the formation of new layers inside the system. With continued use, the engine remains in better shape and can regain power, especially in older high-mileage vehicles. By adding it during maintenance, internal surfaces get a protective coating that acts like a smooth layer, helping reduce future wear. Even when engines face extreme heat, this treatment holds its strength. It works across different engine types, including hybrid and performance setups. The tiny particles in the formula fit into small scratches on surfaces, working like soft rollers to keep the parts moving freely without extra drag. This lowers pressure on the motor and creates a smoother ride. Designed and manufactured in the United States, this product reflects attention to detail in vehicle protection. Regular use can improve reliability and reduce noise. It helps support long engine life through better lubrication and efficiency. For people who drive daily, travel long distances, or rely on older engines, this oil treatment is built to handle those demands while offering added care with each use. In our list, the number 2 product name is Slick 50 Engine Oil Treatment. Slick 50 Recharged High-Mileage Engine Treatment is made for older vehicles that need extra care. It is a 15-ounce solution that supports worn engines by reducing pressure caused by heat and wear. Designed to work with many viscosity levels including 5 watt 30, 10 watt 30, 0 watt 20, and others, this product blends well with both synthetic and traditional motor oils. Over time, older engines can lose power due to wear or increased oil use. This engine treatment helps refresh overall function and supports smoother operation. Its cleaning agents help clear out old sludge and buildup that may slow down internal systems. By improving cleanliness and reducing friction, the engine can regain lost efficiency and perform better. Many older engines develop small leaks due to weakened seals. This formula is designed to condition those seals and limit further oil loss. By improving the condition of internal parts, the vehicle may also experience reduced noise and steadier running performance. Even if your vehicle is already running fine, regular use can help preserve it longer. Unlike some treatments that thin out the original oil formula, this one keeps the existing balance and supports your engine's current additives. In our list, the number 3 product name is Shine Armor Engine Oil Treatment. Shine Armor Engine Oil Additive Performance Booster is crafted to improve internal vehicle function through a unique nanoparticle formula. This treatment works by creating a thick cushion between mechanical parts to reduce damage caused by long-term use. It is designed for use in both gasoline and diesel engines and supports many types of motor oil, including high viscosity levels such as 15 watt 40. Wear and friction are 2 major causes of power loss and noise in older or heavily used engines. This additive forms a protective carbon layer to guard against these problems, helping parts run smoother and reducing loud operation. With regular use, It may support better pressure balance and reduce the strain caused during cold starts or dry cycles. High temperatures can wear out moving parts quickly. By lowering engine temperature and preventing surface damage, this solution helps extend the durability of oil between changes. The coating helps prevent metal-to-metal contact, which often leads to breakdowns and costly repairs if not addressed in time. Compatible with multiple car types and built for daily driving. In our list, the number 4 product name is Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment. Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment supports better fuel system performance for various engines using either gasoline or diesel. This additive helps the internal system stay clean by reducing unwanted deposits. It works through the fuel path, reaching the injectors, combustion areas, and even older carburetors. Drivers looking to reduce wear and preserve pump life may benefit from its protective qualities. The product can be added during routine intervals, such as every 3,000 miles, to help stop buildup from forming inside the system. It helps dissolve leftover exhaust material, leading to a smoother flow of fuel. Better combustion often leads to improved mileage and more responsive engine behavior, which makes it suitable for both newer vehicles and older models. Engines exposed to harmful particles from low-quality fuel can show signs of damage over time. This treatment helps control that risk by neutralizing harsh sulfur levels and preventing damage from starting. Older cars that once relied on leaded fuel can use this additive as a replacement without negative results. Rust and corrosion remain serious concerns in any fuel system. The oil blend found in this treatment forms a light barrier inside, helping to protect metal parts from moisture and harmful elements. This benefit can extend the usable life of various engine components, including injectors and pumps. Ideal for everyday use in road vehicles, non-road equipment, or even marine engines, this product supports smoother operation across many platforms. Drivers aiming to reduce emissions and maintain engine health over time may find it helpful for long-term vehicle care. In our list, the number 5 product name is XADO EX120 Motor Oil Additive. XADO X120 Motor Oil Additive supports engine recovery and smoother performance in gasoline and liquefied petroleum gas vehicles. It works by forming a ceramic metal layer that covers moving components inside the motor. This layer helps extend the usable life of the parts and provides lasting surface protection over many thousands of miles. Vehicles using this treatment may show signs of improved engine smoothness. By helping maintain pressure in the oil system, this additive ensures that internal components remain coated during operation. That steady lubrication helps reduce rough movements and can support a consistent driving experience. As mileage increases, some engines begin to lose compression. This product helps balance the pressure inside cylinders, which may bring back lost responsiveness. With balanced compression, the engine may also run more efficiently during regular conditions, leading to better use of fuel. A more responsive engine can give drivers a noticeable improvement in daily operation. For high-mileage vehicles, the 3-stage method is used to apply the contents correctly. Warm-up and idle periods allow for proper blending with oil. After set driving intervals, repeated applications allow the protective coating to form. Newer engines with fewer miles need fewer steps. Correct application ensures that the ceramic metal layer builds up across surfaces. The product is suitable for oil systems up to 30 liters, with different amounts needed depending on vehicle capacity. Overhauled motors also benefit from full treatment. Avoiding early oil changes during use is necessary for the process to complete properly. Always keep it away from children and avoid skin contact. Used carefully, this additive supports smoother operation and longer-lasting internal protection.